start at the bottom of the line, go all the way up, then down, then make a little loop, and then you connect this element to whatever follows. So, start from the bottom, up, all the way down, and then the loop. And the little ah is easy, it's similar to E. So this is the element that will connect to other letters, and we'll talk about connections because they depend on what the following letter where it has its own element there, the top or the bottom. Then the second letter of the Russian alphabet? B. So starting at the very top, maybe we would just just the five of you. So it starts with a vertical stick, starting at the very top, and then a loop, and then a rounder kind of semicircle, and then at the top. So again, we start at the top, all the way down, a loop, a bigger loop, and then and the starts at the middle, goes all the way down, then up, a vertical line, and then this element points. So, it's like you're writing an O, but continuing it up. So third letter, V. V starting at the top, just like B, with a loop, and then just two semicircles. And the little one is easy, so it will be connected in the middle with a preceding vowel or consonant vowel, whatever we have, and then to connect to other letters, you start from the very bottom of that letter and write a straight line. Like to connect it to L, for example. And we'll see that in other letters as well. Here, for example, also connecting with a straight line. Well, the next one is G. So just like B, but without the loops. Just from the top all the way down, and then the vertical element. The little one is trickier when you see it inside of the word because it's just like a squiggle. So just gap. And then we have what's next letter? There. Starting at the top, all the way down, a smaller loop, a large loop, and then it can connect to something else, or you can just leave it alone. So sometimes Russians just write like this and then start. Not really connect the big tail to anything else. The little one starts with the same familiar element, and then the loop goes beyond the line. A, B, V, G, D. Then we have yeah. Excellent. Yeah, like back verse 3. The capital one. And then the little one is just like one English letter. So yeah. And then we have your, which is the same way, just with dots. Your. The bug letter. So start at the top and then go all the way down. From here you go up, vertical line, and connect it to another semicircle. So again at the top. Sometimes people write it like this. It's fine too. I mean, it can be understood. But if you want to be hardcore Russian cursive writer, then you would do it in one strike. And the little one is the same way. Z. And then Z, capital Z, just straightforward 3. And then the little Z will have this element added to it, so it's like this, so it's beyond the line as well. Jazé. What's next? E. Just that. E. Probably looks familiar, right? The big one, the little one too. E. And then we have, who can pronounce the next? E. 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 Let's just write it here because they're similar. The only difference is this. E. And who will ask you to make sure that this is the shape you're making to make it different from emphasis, which is just like this. E. E. What's the name of the next letter? Ka. The name is Ka, but the sound is K. Ka. And the little one looks the same. Ka. K. Next is.
How do you connect the ka?
So if we have O, for example, O.
Okay.
So it has this connection. If it's with V, you can go just right straight into it. That's it. And if you have something preceding it, then O, no. Next one. L or L, right? So this one is just simple letter, and the little one is the same way. And for example, to connect two of them, class, for example, right? So as I call it, they hold hands here. If two of the letters have those elements, they have to hold hands. It has to be seen because otherwise it will just look like E or something else. So class, this one technically should connect to the very top, but you will not confuse R with anything else. Class. And next one. M, right? The sound is moi. So M. The big one is very straightforward. The little one is also very similar to it. M or moi. Let's just fit. No, we'll just start a new line. The next one is N. So if you do it elaborately, then going a little bit up, and then a hook, and then another hook, and the little one has more kind of a horizontal line in between. And then there are variations. I think some of your letters here look a little bit different, maybe. Well, no, the same. So far, so good. And then we have O, capital O, little O. It's always connected at the top, well, at the bottom or at the top. It does have its own little hands, so other letters have to extend their hands towards O. Akno, so O, and then we have O, where. So two vertical lines, and then we have little hands both sides, and then it doesn't have to be that, it could be just straight. the horizontal element. Where? Looks a lot like pi, right? Where? And then the little one is deceptive. Actually, I'll write it again. So it looks like something else in English, but it's where. Where. Just look at it and remember it as where. Where, and then we have re or or re. So a large kind of upper element there. So it starts with a vertical stick and then kind of put a hat on it. and the little one goes beyond the line, so the stick goes beyond the line, and this is like a g element almost, so r, you don't close